hogging out the electronics pocket, you can see the electronics pocket, the outline is drawn here. We're putting in like a 1-inch portion of it, or 1 1/4 inch portion of it, and we're drilling it out or hogging it out so we do not have as much material when we go to router. Alright, so it's just a time savings and easier on the router bits, and cheaper. And what we're doing is we're going down, this pocket has to be 1.55 inches deep. So we're going to go down to about 1.25 inches, and then we'll come back and clean it up with the router bit for the final cleanup. So this is the first step of creating an electronics pocket, is just we call it hogging it out. And you can see it's hogging out a lot of material. And we're going to do this all around here until everything's hogged out. Alright? So this is creating an electronics pocket. This is one of the earlier steps called hogging out the electronics pocket. And you can see he's got 2 holes drawn in there already. And we're going to put quite a bit more, probably like 6, 7, or 8 of them by the time we're done, so everything is kind of hogged out. And so you'll see then everything won't be perfect, but it takes a lot of material out there, so when the router bit goes through there, we don't have as much work with the router bit.